trained both my men.
See what is this? Yeah, come
इसके साथ
on.
जो दूसरा
तो वहाँ पे तुमने चीटिंग किया है उसके साथ में.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. आज के वीडियो के लिए I have two very special guests here with me that are
Yes.
going to compete with each other. I have Reet Jakharia, also known as my boyfriend, and my father Anwar Sarosh over here. And आज इन दोनों के बीच में competition होने वाला है that who knows me best.
Better.
Best,
okay.
हाँ? अभी एक इंसान मुझे तकरीबन 26
It's
years
such
से
an
जा
unfair competition.
No, but I have a
Such an
feeling
unfair-
both of them are going. It's not unfair.
It is unfair.
Papa has spent lesser
Uncle
time
will-
with me
uncle
than you.
will-
Yeah.
Uncle will of course know you more. He knows you from the ऐसा बच्ची जब थी तब
हाँ,
से.
but time भी spend करना पड़ता है इंसान के साथ
इंसान के साथ to know,
the person,
right.
you know.
The most of the years and most of the time she spent with you rather than me because most of the time I was at work.
Yeah, so let's see. We'll
They're
come to
trying to just console me. They're trying to soften the blow.
But I have a
that's
feeling
okay.
both of them don't know me. I think you all know me better because these answers I know they are not going to know only. And they're very basic, but you all will still get them wrong. I'm so
Let's see.
confident. So it's going to be super interesting.
Let's see.
Yes, आज को जो हम अलग कर रहे हैं चैनल पे कि हम व्लॉग्स में तो आपको मिलते रहते हैं तो हमने सोचा ऐसा मतलब प्रोफेशनली बैठा के
Yes.
इनकी एग्जाम ली जाए. So if you're interested, continue watching. If this is the first time you come onto my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Join the Sarah Squad. I'm sure you love it here. And also don't forget the bell icon right next to you so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. And with that, we can dive straight into this. Okay, boards out. Pen, sketch pen, दोनों के एग्जाम के लिए आपके white board,
ईशान का बोर्ड है.
white board marker मंगाया गया है और वो लोग answers लिखेंगे and then whenever they feel they are ready. So let's see. We'll start इतना easy. इतना ज़्यादा easy, ठीक है?
बताइए, बोलिए.
तो overall I have 24 questions.
Oh.
Okay.
24.
Yeah, there should be 26, so because I'm 26, but it's okay. First question is, which is my favorite fandom? Fan, मेरे को किस चीज़ की मैं fan हूँ? Okay.
My handwriting is bad, but
Bollywood.
Harry Potter.
He's correct.
Yes, yes.
But I think पापा को समझाने के fandom क्या होता है?
Actually.
But I am a Bollywood fan also.
Yeah.
So that
Yeah,
is
she
also.
is, yeah.
Yeah, I'm a big Bollywood fan.
Yeah.
I can give him half a point.
Yes. पहले तो मिनियन की थी
Yeah. हाँ, yeah.
Actually.
Correct.
Yeah,
Yes.
this
Yes.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
This I
before
didn't
Harry
know.
Potter.
Long back in
Yeah.
like.
That's why-
Minion,
that's
Minion,
why
बाप रे.
I say that this
Everything
is a
she
very unfair
wanted.
competition. मेरे को पता ही नहीं कि Minion का ये भी existed for her.
Yeah.
I had a
Still she had a
Minion era
keychain.
existed for Sarah.
She had still the keychain in our wardrobe in our house
See?
of Minion.
मैंने बोला था.
Okay. Next तो दोनों का आना चाहिए. Okay. How many luxury bags do I own? सोच लो अच्छे से दिमाग में तुम सबकी शॉपिंग पे भी थे. एक में नहीं थे but
Luxury bag, na?
Luxury.
So what you and I call luxury, that
Yes,
luxury.
that-
Okay,
that
okay,
luxury.
Yeah, I think I know this one. I think I know this one. Yeah, I should be. I should be. I think I.
okay,
do.
both of you are wrong. Both are wrong.
अच्छा.
Papa has written 6
6.
and Reet has written 4.
Okay.
What are the 4 you think?
Dior,
हाँ.
Louis Vuitton,
हाँ.
ठीक है, और Jacquemus,
I forgot about Jacquemus.
Jacquemus and Gucci.
Gucci.
So
What are you thinking? First
This-
he also wrote 4.
Yeah.
तुमने भी यही
यही
4
चार सोचे थे।
अच्छा तो फिर दो both get it.
हाँ.
I forgot about Jacquemus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See.
See.
I was only thinking Gucci, Dior, LV.
Hmm.
But no, Jacquemus is mid-range luxury only.
Of course.
Yeah, I have trained both my men that Coach and MK is not luxury.
Yes.
That's why I asked her at the beginning what we consider luxury, right?
Yeah. Okay, great. So both get a point. Upar 1.5 and 1. Okay.
2. How?
Two.
Hey, bhai, what is
yeah.
this?
Reet is very competitive. Okay.
Biasness.
This I think Papa will know better. तो सोचना थोड़ा.
Hmm.
Which was my first pet?
Yeah, I know.
Pet.
Pet. Pet animal. Okay. Turn. He's written parrot and fudge. वड़ा पाव और मिर्ची वो दो लवबर्ड जो थे.
Ah,
क्या
yeah.
पप्पा?
I forgot really.
I got it right.
But parrot नहीं
No,
lovebird.
Parrot- lovebirds
but
they.
yeah, see, I did, but my guess was right.
Yeah, you remember?
Yeah, you
Just
told me when.
so old you want to write first, बापरे.
When we were talking.
First pet first pet तो वही था ना तो fudge.
हाँ,
मेरे
yeah,
को
yeah.
dog चाहिए था इन लोग
Yes.
बोले नहीं dog नहीं ले तू easy वाला pet ले जो easy तो lovebirds
Yes,
लेके आए.
lovebirds.
And I have named my lovebird vada pav and mirchi.
Yes, I remember.
Before that we had fish tank also for you,
वो
right?
मेरा नहीं था ना but वो तो तुम.
हाँ,
तो फिर
there was
वो
also
लिखते-
pet.
वो लिखते तो मैं वो उसका भी point दे देती. तुम
So I'll have to go back to Vaishali Nagar,
Yes,
right?
you'll have to think. That's why.
See, I remembered uncle उसने सिर्फ chat पे मैं मुझे एक बार बोला था when we were in that phase, texting phase.
Okay, chalo.
Okay.
1
Let's
point
see.
for me.
Yes. One.
3,
No,
1 and a
I will
half.
also get half. 2.5.
How?
Parrot.
Parrot नहीं था, lovebirds था.
और वो भी दो थे.
ठीक है, so 2.5 and then.
1 and a half.
1.5. Okay.
But I should have.
No. I decided.
You see.
Okay,
how,
this-
how
What the
strict
winner is
she-
going to get,
How
Sherry?
strict she is with me. You see. How strict she is with me.
Winner is not getting it.
Everyone is
Lifetime
conspiring against
support
me.
by Sarah Sarbush is what you're getting. Anyways in life. Okay.
Okay.
What is the next question is going to be, how long did it take to make my dream house? वो क्या नंबर है? कैसे 9 महीना कैसे लगा?
फिर क्या अपन ने अक्टूबर में लिए थे, अक्टूबर के बाद में अक्टूबर नवंबर दिसंबर जनवरी फरवरी मार्च अप्रैल मई जून में अपन एक्चुअली
हाँ जून अपन आए
हाँ
बट अक्टूबर से थोड़ी गिनती करेंगे घर तोड़ा तो फरवरी में ना जनवरी में
when you purchase the flat and from
That's
there
what I was
when you made it
considering.
that is 9 months right
तो तुम्हारा दिन
from the day of purchase
Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. अच्छा हाँ 7 yeah.
I am the winner
My maths was wrong.
I am the winner yes
3.5. What was my favorite cartoon as a kid? There were multiple favorites. एक भी मिल गया तो ठीक है. The fact that he remembers. Oh my god. Yes.
Still, she's
They're
so
both-
strict with me, in terms of all this.
They are both right. Dragon Tales थोड़ी मैं बड़ी हुई तभी and Shinchan का full phase. I had a full Shinchan phase. Yes. I actually wrote Noddy because Noddy was also favorite with Sabrina. Like Sabrina and I, one common cartoon, two common cartoons. We still have Oswald and
Oswald
Noddy.
and Noddy
Oswald, yeah.
Yeah. But Dragon Tales थोड़ी बड़ी हुई तो I loved Dragon Tales and it got over. I was so sad. And Shinchan का तो full मम्मी और मैं देख के binge watch करते थे Shinchan. Yeah. तो both are correct. 3.5. Okay.
equal
Close call चल रहा है guys. Close call. Okay. What was my biggest childhood fear? सोचो. ये मेरे को भी सोचना पड़ा था.
I don't remember actually
जो अभी मैं बहुत अच्छे से करती हूँ but तभी मैं डरती थी.
water
Yeah. I also thought the same.
अभी तुमने loudly बोला
No,
था.
yeah. The moment you said that, मैं अभी
no I
बहुत
remember
करती हूँ,
when she told no very childhood because after that she learned swimming my mother
I remember
forced her
that.
to learn swimming so that fright of a water will go
Yeah.
that in the beginning when she went for the first time she had a trauma. Then to overcome that trauma, she went again.
The first time mommy took me swimming, I drowned. And
Yeah.
then I never wanted to go again till 7 years, till the age of 7. And
Yeah.
उसके बाद जब भी सीखती थी, I used to cry.
Cry, yeah.
But I used to be forced
Literally.
to learn, and then फिर I learned, and now I love it. Okay.
now water is her best
Best.
entertainment
4.5. Okay, my God. Abhi, I think this papa's gonna get, but okay. Who was my first best friend growing up?
I तो don't
No.
अरे what you see what is this यार
उसके
come
साथ
on
जो दूसरी थी.
हाँ बताओ सब बताओ
सोचो मैंने बताया तुमको, नहीं बताया होता तो मैं तुमको नहीं पूछती.
How would I know?
अच्छा कोशिश तो करो.
This?
नहीं
नहीं?
पापा बिल्कुल नहीं, और ये मेरे को वीडियो में भी देना है.
अच्छा wait. I got it.
देखो
You are going to get a point.
No, wait.
You are going to get a point. वो तुम्हारा मेमोरी ना. हाँ yes. Yes.
उसका spelling क्या है?
नहीं रहा है ठीक है. I am at this point I am
My father is 50 plus. His memory is taking some time to be jogged.
Shazeen.
Yes, Shazeen was my first friend. But also Ifra was my first friend. No, like Shazeen was my first friend actually. Yeah. Papa wrote Ifra first.
Yeah.
so I
Shazeen was
I don't know so
But
I
yeah,
so
he knows Ifra. Yeah, he knows Ifra. But you should get half a point because you know Ifra.
I'll get 1 point.
Ifra is my first best friend who's still a very, very close friend.
Yeah.
And Shazeen was my first friend. She's also a very good friend even today, but I'm closer to Ifra now.
Ifra now,
but
yeah.
Shazeen was my first friend. वो मेरे first birthday में नहीं, but उसके जब बच्चे first standard के birthday से लेके हर birthday पे आती थी.
Yes.
And yeah, she was my closest friend growing up. क्या पप्पा तुमको Shazeen नहीं आती?
मैं उसका spelling भूल गया था.
Spelling बोल के तो लिखने का ही नहीं. Okay, very good. By half a point, Papa is leading. Okay. What's my go-to comfort food? ज़्यादा सोचो. दिखाओ. Both are wrong. It used to be pasta. Long back it used to be, but
हाँ वो
but now it's ramen. Now it's ramen.
अरे so
Egg na, every time you need egg. If nothing is there, you'll make egg and eat.
Because I'm a health conscious.
comfort food is
food मतलब
different,
cheat
Abdul.
meal.
Okay.
Comfort food is
So
where I
she-
can cheat.
Yeah, I remember during our chatting time only. She
Yeah, pasta
told
was
me,
there long
So I
back.
so I should get.
When she used
Get
to
a
eat
point.
carbs, na, that time she used to like
Yeah, So I
pasta.
should get a point.
And now when she doesn't like, so they go to
Comfort
food,
is what I
yeah.
can cheat क्योंकि तभी मुझे comfort चाहिए.
hmm,
समझे? दोनों को नहीं मिल रहा है कुछ भी. Point ramen, spicy ramen, very very spicy.
5.5 and 5, okay?
What time do I usually go to bed? Papa wins. 1 a.m. Average तो 1, 1:30, 11, 12 हो गया. कौन 11 बजे
6
सोता
and a half
है?
and 5.
और तुम्हारे साथ रहती है तो 2 बजे तक होने में
I am
नहीं
6 and a half and he's
Given
5.
up at this point. जो हो रहा है उधर midway only आप give it up.
Oh, I am
Midway.
Okay, I'll help you now. I'll help
अभी तो ये जो क्वेश्चन था वो तो करंट सिनेरियो का क्वेश्चन है. You should have known it.
you. 11, 12.
I know because I read her messages at 1 o'clock, sometimes at 12:45 and all.
See the
So I know कि 1 o'clock के पहले तो ये सोती नहीं है.
What's the one thing that instantly annoys me about other people? There are multiple things that annoy me. Actually. They will have lots of things that they will give. Okay, this is. तुम्हारी handwriting बहुत बेकार है. क्या बोले?
No of the opposite person.
मतलब no मतलब?
If somebody says no to you.
So it annoys me. But
Yeah.
No, but if they are new, they can do whatever they want. That is for people who know me and they say no.
Then I don't know. What annoys you?
Okay, chal, I'll give Reet 1 point for this. Bad body odor. Like if somebody smells bad, even if they are the nicest people on the earth, but if you're smelling bad, I cannot. It instantly
Tolerate.
annoys me, and I'm like.
Yeah, actually.
But also people who talk slowly, like I'm like.
And loudly.
And loudly. Yeah, Sharon is saying from there because she is one of those people. Sometimes I'm like, Sharon, बहुत मैं और तू ही है ये रूम में. Reet also, very loudly.
Reet no Sabrina जैसी loud तो कोई नहीं है.
Reet तो मेरे से bedroom में.
It was gonna come to me. I was wondering कि अभी तक इसको चमका कैसे.
Reet and Sharon need voice modulation devices where I can control them with a remote. I'm like, volume कम करो, volume कम करो. What do I usually do to cheer myself up when I'm feeling sad? Papa ने लिखे drink impulse coffee.
Turn yourself. Turn your board.
Tell yourself. Order desserts or shop. I think, yeah.
No. I
There.
feel sad very often. I go on a drive.
No, you order desserts. You have said it to me very clearly that whenever I'm sad, I order healthy desserts and I eat them.
That is hormonal wala sad.
How many layers of sad are there? Oh my god!
We'll have to
That
go
is
through that dictionary.
How many layers? You see, whenever I'm about to get
But
something
he's also
right, how layered and how scrutinized it is.
He's
God.
also wrong. Impulse coffees I do drink in every day to tolerate people better like you. But impulse coffees is like survival juice. And
Why
this
so-
is comfort food. This could have come in comfort food. I would have been okay with it. Shopping, I don't do when I'm sad. I do when I'm bored.
But here, dessert, no.
When I'm craving sugar, also I have dessert.
See, I don't
Drive is
I told
when
you.
I just listen to music and I'm sad and I get happy and okay. Fine. Do I prefer mountains, beaches, or cities for vacation?
No brainer.
Guys, there is no point for guessing that Papa is so wrong. Mountain पे तो मैं नहीं
Mountain
Papa.
is uncle. Mountain is.
Are hilly regions you go? No, Switzerland and all is a hilly region.
No.
Ah, but
Then
do I prefer going? I prefer cities. I love Paris, Tokyo, Dubai. I
Yeah, what you
love
wrote?
No,
cities.
no brainer, uncle. Then this was.
Beaches also. I love. It is cities then beaches. Then
I thought
mountains.
Switzerland,
Norway did change.
Manali.
No, the moment she said mountains or mountains, तो मेरे दिमाग से निकल ही गया.
Mountains.
Beaches, and then she said
I don't
or.
thrive in mountains.
6.58.
6.58. Okay, Papa, थोड़ा working hard.
Okay.
I've said it in vlogs also. तुम तो मेरे vlogs देखते हो ना? I'm not a mountain person. But अभी नॉर्वे के बाद थोड़ा change हुआ.
फिर
But fully नहीं. First preference for me is always a nice big city because I'm from Mumbai. I love to see other big cities और क्या हमारी city में better हो सकता है जो हमको नहीं मिल रहा है. तो मैं दूसरी cities में जाके देखती हूँ. Like Tokyo, I love Paris, I love Osaka, all that. Okay. Okay, easy peasy. What's my love language?
Easy, no brainer.
पापा को love language का meaning नहीं मालूम ना? ये Gen Z term हो गया.
I don't know.
Love language as in uncle, what is it that she likes to do for the people she loves? मतलब जैसा
पापा डोरेमोन अंडरमैन.
जैसा मुझे जो लोग पसंद है, I like to cook for them और ये
Yeah.
so वैसा कुछ मतलब.
Yes, correct. Both of them get a point. 9 and 7. To gifting is my love language. What is the color that of outfit that I wear the most? I love the confidence with which Reed. Both are wrong. Pink or black and yellow. I wear white the most
I
because
thought white. I
Yeah.
thought to write white.
I have a full white wardrobe
Yeah,
because
yeah,
सब
yeah.
brands को white लगता
Yeah,
है.
I thought, but since वो already I wrote, I was like, screw it. I'm not gonna erase it. But yeah, white did strike my mind. Yeah.
तो फिर पिंक और व्हाइट लिखते तो हाफ पॉइंट तो मिलता है ना.
No, it's fine. That's fine.
Okay, easy peasy. Am I a sneaker person or a heel person? Yes, sneakers is my preferred footwear. Yes.
Both get one point.
Yes.
Yeah, but it-
What is the one accessory I always wear? Both have got it right. Rings is something I always wear. Very good, very good. Good going, good going. ये दो questions are about luxury stuff.
अरे यार.
So अभी थोड़ा सोचो कि मैंने क्या बोला है कि मुझे चाहिए. The first question is, what's my dream luxury thing to have?
Luxury.
Dream like, no, don't. Okay. हाँ, okay. You'll have both right, but in different questions. Do you want to? I will give you another shot. This will be the next question.
No, actually, wait.
No, don't go in fashion at all. Fashion में मत जाओ because fashion is the next question.
Okay. Oh yeah. This is.
This is the fashion well answer. This is the next.
Then
This is only what is a dream dream luxury thing to have.
Yeah. I know.
See, now I'm being biased towards you also.
No.
Okay, chal.
Got it.
Both of them get a point. Luxury car and a Mercedes. Maybach is my dream.
Yeah, I was about to write a Maybach as well, but I was
Yeah.
like, no, let's
Maybach
not
is
take that chance.
First he wrote Serpenti watch, so that is going to be the answer to the next question जो अभी मैं पूछूंगी नहीं, which is my
What?
dream fashion
I
splurge.
could have gotten
Yeah.
2 points.
The minute I
The
asked-
game is rigged. Guys, the game is rigged.
No.
I'm telling you, the game
No,
is rigged.
Papa immediately wrote luxury car because the next dream luxury
No,
thing I
so
want
the
is
moment she said that this is fashion, luxury overall, so I also wrote it immediately.
Do I take longer to pick my outfit or to do my makeup? देखो I take longer to do my makeup.
No, you take longer to decide your outfit.
No outfit तो she
Makeup
goes.
No,
Ah,
makeup
this is good.
On me.
No.
That's
why
what I was just
exactly,
gonna say.
exactly. So
Sharon picks my outfit, so I don't have.
I got 1 point.
Yes.
11.5
11
Yes.
of 12, only half. Oh my god, close calls.
telling you know the
Oh.
whole. चलो ठीक.
कुछ भी तुमको दिया मैंने 2 चांस, ठीक है? वो सरपेंट में लूज भी करा दी थी
Serpenti.
because it's not answer
वहाँ पे
that
तुमने
question.
चीटिंग किया है उसके साथ में
नहीं,
जिसमें
नहीं,
मेरे को
नहीं,
पॉइंट
नहीं।
मिलना चाहिए था उसको भी पॉइंट दिलाया
नहीं तो.
If I would meet any celebrity, who would it be?
Yeah. Fine.
This is so easy. Like anybody can answer this. राह चलता इंसान भी बता देगा.
Yeah.
Yes. It's Shah Rukh Khan. I would love to. Oh my God. Can't believe I have not yet met Shah Rukh Khan.
you'll meet
Branch
Yeah.
meet.
in a very near
Any
future
brand collab that involves Shah Rukh Khan मैं free में कर लूँगी. Just call me, okay? पापा सिर्फ half point से तुमको.
माइनस में हूँ ना मैं
अगर
कैसे ही लोगों कर रहे सी.
Okay. I don't think y'all know this answer. What is the one weird habit that I have? अजीब चीज जो मैं करती हूँ. बट ये किसी को पता ही नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये पता ही नहीं लोगों को मैं उनके साथ करती हूँ. Really?
Yeah, I mean I don't know.
No, I don't know.
I'm just
Calling names मतलब?
मतलब
मतलब छोटू को बड़ू.
Not वैसा ये but in a cute way as in
जानू बुलाना.
yeah I think yeah.
That's not weird. People do it.
people do it
No, but वैसा नहीं जानू नहीं but again words like fudge ko your uchu something ऐसा you say that.
Good la bachcha.
Yeah you say that.
Good la bachcha is he's my good la bachcha.
Yeah.
That's not weird. My weird habit, I don't need to tell them only, no, because this
yeah don't
guess करते रहो.
You should tell your audience.
No, I don't want anybody to know.
Hmm.
Okay, I'll tell you all. Sometimes when you all are talking, I don't listen. I'm zoned out. मैं अपने आप से बात कर रही हूँ and I'm like,
But
that I also have that
but-
habit
yes, weird because you're
sometimes
supposed to be
yeah
talking to the person.
yeah sometimes somebody is talking to me and I am in some other thoughts
Yeah.
and my mind is somewhere else and I'm staring at him
Yeah, so it's weird.
that happens with everyone I think
No, not everyone.
yeah
Reet listens
happens.
to everything. इसलिए तो उसको ये सब याद है. Some people are present.
maybe everyone is trying to make me lose. Just
Okay, what's my favorite guilty pleasure song, movie or show? हर एक चीज का आधा पॉइंट मिलेगा. This is a 1.5 point question, guys. Guilty pleasure song, movie and show. नहीं ऐसा नहीं.
हाँ 1 number 2 number 3 number डालने का ना
नहीं. गिल्टी प्लेजर मतलब मेरे को कौन सा सॉन्ग पसंद है सुनने. फिर कौन
अच्छा,
सी
उसका
movie
नाम
पसंद
चाहिए.
है, हाँ. और कौन सा शो पसंद है.
I
शो
don't-
को टाइम लग रहा है तुमको.
guilty pleasure, Baba. Guilty pleasure is something
Yeah,
that
but
you're not
binge-watching.
proud of.
Okay, let's see both of their answers. Okay, so for Reed says Himesh Reshamya songs are my guilty pleasure. It's wrong. It's Purnima's guilty pleasure. Just because
No, because you also vibe to that.
I vibe, but I don't sit alone and listen to Himesh Reshamya songs. But I do listen to Crazy Kiya Re a lot because I loved Aishwarya Rai.
Half
in that
point.
movie, Half point.
Crazy
Okay. And I had actually written the answer Aadha Ishq, which is also a song I always, it's the first song in my library and I listened to it and it's very romantic.
आधा इश्क आधा है
Anyway, my guilty pleasure show, Modern Family is the show I watch abhi sabse
Okay.
zyada. So there you get
That
that.
how will I know?
Yeah, Friends was when I used to live with Papa, Mama,
Yeah.
I used to watch Friends all the time, even today.
Means my both is right.
Okay. So
1 point.
Okay, 1 point, half point there. And what have you written for movie? I
Awara
have
Pagal
never
Deewana.
watched Awara Pagal Deewana.
You
That
only
is-
said no.
Jaan, that is कौन सी पिक्चर का नाम अभी जो दिखा है इसको? दीवाने हुए
दीवाने
पागल।
हुए
Acha, oh, I messed up the name.
Yes.
I
You,
messed up.
I
दीवाने
knew
हुए।
you wanted to
I messed
say दीवाने
yeah, I
हुए
messed up
पागल।
the name. But
आवारा पागल दीवाना हमने कभी नहीं देखी है।
but no, I messed
कुछ
up.
कुछ होता है।
I knew
पप्पा रोड कुछ होता है, which is correct. कुछ
Oh,
कुछ
full
होता है।
1.5 marks. Yes. 1, 2, 3.
कुछ होता है and मुझसे दोस्ती करोगी is my guilty pleasure
Yes.
movie. मुझसे दोस्ती करोगी जानो, मुझसे दोस्ती
No,
करोगी।
no, but your guilty
Veer Zara,
pleasure.
Veer Zara.
Hey, I am आगे ना now. Okay, चलो.
हारिया लॉयर बनना चाहिए था तुमको।
Question is frame.
Okay, last question. If I won the lottery, what would I buy? इसका आंसर पहले भी था, okay guys.
If you won a lottery, what you want to buy?
Correct. दोनों को correct answer मिला है Maybach Mercedes. अभी मैं पापा को दूं क्या क्योंकि Maybach is correct. तुम अभी भी Mercedes लिख रहे हो?
अरे ले लो
But Maybach
ले
Mercedes
लो
की है. I
ले
can
लो।
buy any जो जितने की लॉटरी लगी उतने वाली Mercedes लूंगी ना मैं.
ले लो।
Uncle, 15,
Yeah.
3, 14.5.
Hey, I'm the winner. Yo!
I told you from the beginning only. मैं हारने वाला हूँ.
But many a questions are now recent of hers, na? What she is leading the life.
मैं तो
So how will I know?
Papa
Still I won.
Yay! Okay guys, this was really fun. मुझे तो लगा था इनको कुछ नहीं आता है, but very good. You all have proven yourselves
Yes.
to be good people to live with. That you all are observing me very closely. Okay, so that's amazing that my father and my boyfriend both know me. तो कुछ तो लाइफ में सही किया है. हाफ पॉइंट से पप्पा जीते हैं. तालियां. ये पूरा ही तुमको जीतना है ना पापा. What is this? Anyway, amazing. I had fun. Did you have fun, Jakharia?
Yeah.
Will you come again to do
No.
this? Did you have
Yes,
fun?
I
Will
had
you come
fun.
again?
Yes, yes,
नया
I'll come.
boyfriend ढूंढना पड़ेगा अभी ये करने के लिए. Okay.
अगर मैं ना बोलता तो नया फादर तो नहीं ढूंढ सकती थी.
अपन application लेगा Google form डाल के who is applying to do this. Amazing. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. For today's video, the Sarasco shout out goes to Sania Noor. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next week's Sarasco shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it. Also, comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad. And you guys also part of my next video, Sarah Squad shout out. I'll see you guys for another video. Bye guys. Love you. Mwah.